Are you worried about those unsightly cracks in your basement walls? Well, look no further. Welcome to HydroHelp911, your go-to solution for professional basement wall crack repair in the greater Charlotte area. If you've landed here after searching for basement wall crack repair near me, you've come to the right place. Hi, I'm Corey, and today we'll discuss the common cause of basement wall cracks, the dangers they pose, and how HydroHelp911 can help you fix them efficiently and effectively. Basement wall cracks can be caused by a variety of factors, such as foundation settling, hydrostatic pressure, or even natural disasters. While some cracks may seem minor, they can escalate into significant structural issues if left untreated. At HydroHelp911, we understand the importance of addressing these cracks promptly to protect the integrity of your home. Our team of experienced professionals utilizes state-of-the-art technology to assess and repair your basement wall cracks, ensuring a long-lasting solutions. Now, you may be wondering, why should I choose HydroHelp911 for my basement wall crack repair? Well, let me tell you. Firstly, our team is comprised of highly skilled technicians who specialize in basement repairs. They have years of experience and in-depth knowledge of different crack repair techniques, guaranteeing exceptional results. Secondly, we only use premium quality materials and cutting-edge equipment for our repairs. This ensures that the repaired cracks are not just aesthetically pleasing, but also structurally sound, giving you peace of mind for years to come. So how does our process work? It's simple and hassle-free. Step one is the assessment. Our team will conduct a thorough inspection of your basement, identifying all the cracks and their causes. Step two, customized solution. Based on the assessment, we'll provide you with a tailored repair plan that addresses the specific needs of your basement. Step three, expert repair. Our skilled technicians will execute the repairs using industry-leading techniques, ensuring a seamless finish. Step four, final inspection. We'll perform a meticulous inspection to ensure that the repaired cracks meet our higher standards of quality. And voila, your basement will be as good as new. So if you're searching for basement wall crack repair near me, look no further. Contact HydroHelp911 today for a free consultation and estimate. We're just a call or click away from transforming your basement into a safe, comfortable, and beautiful space once again. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to serving you soon.